Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is part 2 of my monthly planner setup. If you missed part 1, then I will link that one above where we set up my schedule planner. But today we are setting up my faith planner for the month of June. But if you've never seen my planner before, this is my 8.5 by 11 letter size planner. I currently have the Notique cover on the front. I will link this one below if you are interested in this cover. And I have 5 planners that are Franken planned within this system. I have my table of contents in the front, and then the very first planner is my schedule planner. This is the one that we set up yesterday, but now we're going to flip over to my faith planner, and this is the one that we are going to set up today. I will give you a quick look at how March turned out. For the month of March, I used my goals and projects sheet just to write down some quotes and some affirmations. Then after this page, my monthly calendar, and this is where I just wrote down my scripture for the day. And I got this scripture from looking at the verse of the day in the Bible app. It's the YouVersion Bible app that I have on my phone. And then I just wrote down whatever scripture I had read for that day. After this page, I did just keep some note pages for this particular month. I have some scriptures on the side here, and then I just have different things that I was writing about, getting to know God, why you don't journal, and dealing with loss. These were the things that I was just studying for this past month. I do want to switch it up a little bit for next month. Let me pull over my faith planner. So this is what my faith planner looks like. Now this was set up as a monthly planner, but I also have been using vertical pages within this planner. So all my past months are currently in here. And just to give you an idea of how I will use it or how I have used this in the past, sometimes I will write down journal entries or a verse of the day, or I will write down my prayers, and it will just be a scripture where I'm just kind of jotting it down in long form or taking some type of notes. But other times I will use my vertical planner in order to write down different things. So for instance, I did a Bible study on finding God in the face of disappointment, and so I was just writing down scriptures and reading different things and then kind of just taking notes on this vertical style. And this is what I believe I want to do for the next month. So I did miss being able to write out all of my scriptures for the day. For instance, I have all the scriptures here, and I read the verse of the day, but I didn't write them out like I used to. So I would usually write them out underneath each day of the week. That way I am reading the scripture, but I'm also writing it down. And I did miss doing that for this month. So that is what we're going to do for this upcoming month. I am going to pull out the month of May, and I'm going to add in the month of June. But this is going to be vertical style, and then behind this I will also add in some blank journal pages. So let me just pull this out. So now that I have my monthly plan in, I am going to add a couple of stickers around the perimeter. And let's fill out my headers. I have filled out my goals and project sheets, which is the monthly plan sheet in my faith planner. I have praying, goals, affirmations, and quotes. And then I have an other section down here of anything else that I might want to write out. I will fill out the praying section after I have finished filming, because this is the area where I'm just praying for people on a daily basis, but I will write down different names of people that I'm praying for here. And then under my goals, the only thing that I have is just writing out the verse of the day. I did tell you that that is my desire for this upcoming month, is that I write it down every single day. My affirmations, all the different things that I just want to repeat on a daily basis, and my quote for the month, which is "Let your faith be bigger than your fear," and this is Allison Rose Crane. So now that that is complete, the next thing that we are going to flip to is the monthly plan. And this is where I'm just going to fill out the month and write in the dates. I use this page in order to just keep track of the different scriptures that I am writing out on a daily basis. So I finished setting up my monthly spread. I will just usually jot down the verse of the day. So I did it for Monday and Tuesday, and I just added a couple of stickers around the perimeter so I wouldn't take up too much space. And now we're just going to move over into the very first week. I am going to decorate this week with the Going Places sticker book from Happy Planner, and I just flipped it open and I saw some summer stickers here that I thought would be really nice for me to use. So we're just going to decorate this one, and then I am going to fill in Monday and Tuesday since I do know the verses for those particular days. Okay, so my week is now set up. The way that I'm planning on using my faith planner for the month of June is to add in all of my scriptures at the very top and then use the bottom as like a journal entry, just talking about my day, writing in a memory, writing down a prayer, whatever the case may be. So I keep the decorations light so that I still have space to write in. And with my monthly spread, this is where I'm going to just keep track of the scriptures that I have studied for any particular day. And then my monthly plan page is where I'm just keeping track of who I'm praying for, affirmations, goals, and my monthly quote. So this is my setup for my faith planner. I am going to add some additional blank pages in the back here because sometimes I just like to write out a particular journal entry, or I just want to write out a Bible study. It could be a number of things that I'm just in the mood to write. So I'm going to add in some paper just in case I am in the mood to take some additional notes. I have some paper back here and I'm able to do so. But that is it for my faith planner setup. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and in tomorrow's video we're going to be doing my business planner monthly setup, doing the flip through of what May looked like, and then setting up for the month of June. So I will see you in tomorrow's video, and until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.